This dance, an Asian traditional dance of the DAGBON people from the DAGBON Kingdom in northern Ghana, is called the Baa Maya Dance. Ba means waterlog and Maya means cold. Put together, waterlog is cold. Baa Maya. Who discovered the dance and what is the history behind this dance? History has it that a brave hunter from the DAGBON Kingdom went into the wild to capture some game meat. And after several days of hunt with no catch, he heard the sound of drumming close by in the middle of the night. And so, he decided to take a look. To his shock, he saw strange creatures, weirdly dressed and dancing to the sound of the drums. The area was waterlogged and cold. He copied the dance, came home and introduced it to his people, to the Gombes, and named it Baa Maya. Waterlogged is cold.